Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do that little Foxy kind of makeup trend that's going on YouTube. I wanted to try it out on my channel. I was watching Juicy Jazz and I got inspired. Also, I forgot her name, but I will put her link down below. I love her too as well. I love like watching their videos and things like that. So yeah, first, doing this Foxy kind of look, it's like looking like really tight, your face really like up, everything's, your eyes are like really cat eye, seductive, your face is nice and just uplifting. Basically, like if you got surgery in your face when you really didn't, it's all makeup a little bit. See, instead of bringing it more straighter to kind of give that lift a little bit, instead of bringing the tail down, we're gonna bring it a little bit up so it can kind of like lift your face, like, get a lift. You guys understand what I'm trying to say. So anyway, I don't want to talk too much. I just want to get right into it because I don't want this video to. What I'm going to use for today is my ColourPop Yes Please palette from ColourPop, which I love this palette because one, it has all these browns that I love so much, like Note to Self, French Kiss. I just love these browns, and these are the browns that I'm going to use today. Color here from the Festival palette, the color Experience. So I'm going to get this shade right here, and I'm just gonna really buff that in here into my crease. I just want like a little shadow of color, and I'm gonna bring this color out to kind of really accentuate those eyes and really make it look like really snatched and nice. So yeah, I'm putting this right into the crease and bring it in, and you can put it all over the lid if you would like. Okay, so see how I kind of elongated a little bit, brought the color a little bit out, but I don't want it so much, so then I go with another brush and kind of like blend all that out. And elongate it and just bring it in here. I mean, I just used Experience because I feel like it's a nice tan kind of brown, but it's also like really pretty. Like, I don't just want it my lids to be bare, and just again dust it off, bring in the lid. Fun part. Now I'm gonna grab so I suggest with just like a tiny, really tiny thin brush, see, I'm using this little brush because it's really thin, like real thin, and then I will just kind of pinch it a little bit and it gets even thinner. So with this one, I'm gonna use my Elf Lock On Liner and Brow Cream in the color light brown, and I'm gonna use this instead of black because I feel like black is a little harsh. It's just a little too harsh for me. I know you want the wing, you're gonna want to bring it more up in the up motion, more up, so then the eyes can look more pushed back on top of your hair being tight and everything. So yeah, let's just get started and do that. And I'm gonna start with this nice and so I'm just gonna go and wing it like that without no tape or nothing. So bear with me. Then I'm gonna go here. And I'm gonna go, so see, I'm going in the tip where the end of my lashes end right here. Lashes right here. So I'm not going here on the bottom of my eye. No, I'm going on the top. And I'm just gonna really lightly. See that, guys? Like, I'm bringing it nice and sharpen up. Here, we're not starting on the bottom. I don't want to go too harsh or anything like that. I really want it to be nice and crisp. And I'll just bring it to like the middle. See, like that, like in the middle of my eyeball, my pupil. I'm bringing it right there, you see? And connecting it. There you go. Ooh, okay. Then I'm going to go into the palette and I'm going to grab Note to Self. I'm going to start buffing that in. because I want it to be buffed. I don't want it to just be, you know, just a straight line or anything like that. I really want to buff that out. Buff it. Like I want to buff it and keep it there. I don't want to bring it up. I don't want to bring it into the lid. Anything like that. I just want to keep this right here buffed. And I like that how it comes so far. Trust me, guys. It's going to be put together at the end when everything just puts together. It's going to look amazing. Okay. Wrap full zip. And I'm going to put this color because like a white, nice nude. And I'm just going to add that to the inner corner right here. Almost like the illusion cut crease, but not really. Because I want this to be a little bit bright, you know? Okay, but you see how it kind of like makes the look? Oh, I love it. I'm gonna pop these lashes, these Eileen lashes of mine that I love so much. I legit get them at Winn-Dixie. You can find them at Walmart. So I'm gonna apply these. These are like wispy. They're full. They're heavy. They're full, but they're really nice. I love it. It's gonna make the look even amazing. So I'm gonna pop these on off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, see guys how the lashes, when you put the lashes on, the look looks just more put together. Looks more nice. It just looks amazing. So grab more of that note to self. Just really, really smoking that out. You can really smoke this out at the end if you would like. See? Okay. Now let's go to the rest of the, let's do the face and then we'll come back to that. Face with my Too Faced Major Hangover. Love this. Smells amazing. And it's just really good. My Wet n Wild Photo Stick Foundation. And I'm just going to apply it. I love this brush. Like before I had beauty blenders and all that, I used to, this is my holy grail foundation brush because it is amazing. Amazing, amazing. Bring it down to your neck. Always remember, bring it down. Okay, so then for concealer, I am going to use my e.l.f. concealer and also my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. So I'm going to put the Too Faced one first down here. Okay, and then I'm going to do the satin one, the e.l.f. one, a little dot, and then but more up here. And then start connecting this right here. This is gonna give the illusion of more lift in your face. See how it kind of looks more lifted? We're going to set these under eyes, and to set the under eyes, I am going to use my Wet n Wild contour palette in Dulce de Leche, which I really, really love this palette. It's really pretty and nice. Okay, I'm gonna grab just like that. Lifts the eye a little bit more and it looks like more snatched up. It looks really, really nice. I really love this. Doing this little trick. I always figured doing that is a little bit, you know, nicer. Back to all those colors that we were using. I'm going to take Note to Self. Note to Self. gonna get that French Kiss dark one, and I'm just gonna put it just a little bit. Okay, with the same brush, we're gonna go back. We're gonna go to French Kiss, and I'm gonna start doing the little cat, little eye wing look. I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna use eyeshadow instead of using a wing line or anything like that. Okay, let's see how this comes out. And it's connected. Okay, bring it in. It really like elongates your eye. Snatch that up. Back to full zip. Really right in this eye right here. Brow bone. I'm gonna bronze the skin. So I'm using my Take Home the Bronze in Oliver. Really love this bronzer so much. So the point of the bronzer is you want to bring your bronzer, but you want to bring it up. So instead of bringing it here, you want to bring it up so it can kind of make your face look even more, you know what I'm saying, more, you know, like lifted and stuff. Really lift the face, you know. See how this side is a little lifted, and then this side is lifted because of the eyes, but not the face. That's what I'm saying. So keep everything up. Oh, yes. Okay. Then, so your neck, don't forget this. My double chin. Really bring it down. It's gonna do the illusion of a slimmer face, but make sure. There you go. Okay, then for blush, I'm going to use this Tarte blush in the shade Quirky. And I'm just gonna grab a little bit, and because I don't want too much. Waterline, I am going to add this instead of black or brown or white. I'm gonna do this one instead. The highlight that I use is my Wet n Wild from Wet n Wild Precious Petals, which I love this highlight, and Wet n Wild has some bomb highlights. So yeah, guys, yeah, overall this look came out amazing. I love it. It's so pretty. I feel like this is a good eye look for date night, or just, you know, when you want to go glam and just look pretty with minimal makeup. And just the whole trick of it is to kind of make everything lift up. So lift up your brows, lift up your liner, make everything sharpen up. Your bronzer, bring it up instead of bringing it down. Everything is just bringing everything up. Guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Oh, and also for my lips, I used this lipstick that I don't remember what brand it is, made in Italy. And it's called Caspian Clay. It's like a brown. And then I also used the NYX Intense Lip Color in Peach. Kind of mixed those two together. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my socials. Also, give this video a big thumbs up. And like I always say, may God bless you.